Maayong to everyone, brothers and sisters diya sa atong Ginoong Jesucristo. Sa ngalan samahan sa anak ko sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Guys, quick sharing ni Kuya Nico today is about God or Ginoo. When you hear about the name God, Lord, unsa man, what comes to your mind, mga igsoon? Kaya na si Saint Thomas Aquinas nga God is not in summum, He is not the highest being. God is ipsum esse subsistence, which means God is the sheer, the complete, the pure act of to be itself, mga igsoon. Therefore, ang Ginoo ang dahilan ngano naa ni tanan, ngano there is a creation. Kaya naman, because God, according to Saint Thomas Aquinas again, God is the uncaused cause. For my very own words, God is the non-created creator. The uncreated creator, mga igsoon. Siya ang tagabuhat sa creation sa tanan nga naa dinhi sa kalibutan nga atong makita o dili makita, nga siya mismo wala siya gibuhat sa something or someone nga nagbuhat sa iya. Kay kung ang Ginoo binuhat ra pod sa something or someone, therefore he is not God in the first place. Sabtan ba? Klaro ba? That's why creation comes from nothing, ex nihilo, mga igsoon. Muna ang mga tao, kita nga tao dili gyud ta kaya mobuhat og creation, because we cannot create something, we cannot create creation out of nothing. Only God can create creation. He alone can create everything out of nothing, mga igsoon. Okay? So therefore there is God who is the uncaused cause, the non-created creator, the uncreated creator. He alone is the sheer act, the complete act, the pure act of to be itself. Munang God is not one being among many. Dili kay naay moon, naay stars, naay planets, naay solar system. Siguro si Lord ang pinaka highest being. No? No, He is not. He is not one being among many. Therefore,